And this month this year we have over 60 events. So you're welcome to take a program guide, and we're in here under Diversity, and what are we talking about? I thought I had posters with the names of everybody on them, but Jackie's got the only one that has names on it, so. Oh, do you have one that has names on it? Woo-hoo! So we're down here somewhere, yeah, and we also have Tagalog, we have Spanish, we have Farsi from Afghanistan. So we've got a lot of different interesting ones. I'll put it out there so you can see it after we get through. And I was so lucky. I hope so. I'm so used to, now that I can breathe, I'm shouting all over the place. Sorry about that. I'm so lucky to having to mumble and everything, but now I'm much better. So I was so lucky through Nina, one of our partners of World Poetry, to be able to get in contact with Dr. A.J.K. Garrett, PhD. He's an MBA, gold medalist, and BE Mechanical Honors. He's a university professor in the field of operations and quality. He has about 28 years of experience in the professional world. He has vastly traveled and completed various academic and industrial assignments in many countries. He has to his credit 2 books, one on managing quality in the handicraft sector, and the other textbook on production and operations management with McGraw-Hill Education. He has been a resource person on stress, time management, and quality of handicrafts. He also, I think, he may tell you a little bit more about that, but I think he is a Sanskrit scholar, and he'll be reading in Hindi on May 14th at our event. So please give a great hand to Dr. Garth.
Thank you very much.
We're so honored to have you. Thank you so much.
World Poetry Reading Series. And I was reading the line beneath this, intercultural literature. So let me wish you from my culture, I wish you a very good evening, my brothers and sisters.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yesterday night, I was writing a poem in Hindi, but I will not speak in Hindi now because I know nobody will understand. So I will recite my own poem, but in English.
Dr. Garth, could you do it also in Hindi? Because World Poetry is about getting people accustomed to different languages.
Today also Hindi?
Yeah. Please.
Okay. So first let me tell you the English, then I will recite in Hindi also. And there is a concept in engineering and management, business process re-engineering. There are 2 ways of improvement anywhere, whether it is life or nature or whatever. Initially the improvement is continuous but gradual. But when the system saturates, then it is business process re-engineering, BPR. And we have to dismantle the existing system and we have to bring new system. Technology is the best example for that. When the technology is obsolete, outdated, we dismantle the existing technology and we bring new technology. So destruction, de-learning, deprogramming is the first basic requirement to bring something new. So de-learning. And the title of my poem is first the destruction and then creation. Oh pen, my pen, write a song today. Just create a havoc today. All the greed in this world, just let it be destroyed today. Let there be chaos on this planet Earth. Let the old traditions be forgotten. Let there be fire. Let it rip through everyone. When man himself is ruining the mankind, slipping away from humanity, churches, temples, mosques getting destroyed, boiling our blood due to this tragedy. When death shines like lightning, oceans rain down causing holocausts, night becomes dark and terrifying, sounds of the hell petrifying humankind. Let the earth split, let the water floods the lands, let there be a universal catastrophe. Let the hell be losing and fulfill the violent mankind's desire of the biggest seen calamity. And then, after the complete destruction, then, oh my pen, write a song today of a new calm down, create a new hymn, a new beat of humanity. Let every poor get food, water, roof and shelter. Don't let anyone sleep if he hears some neighbor crying of hunger. Oh my pen, just let it write, quench his thirst of mankind, make us feel content, give power to dying human, live another life. This life has become a swamp filled with troubles. My poem will make it flow like a calm river. The man is drowning in the sea of sadness. My creation will rescue him like a winner. Everyone will love each other. I have a dream of loving mankind. Let this poem be a new life, like a flowering bird creates a new world. A new world. Thank you. I don't know whether you will be able to understand. The feel is same. You have to feel the pulse and the same pulse.
Give us the music.
Okay. In Hindi it is Vidvans and Srijan. Vidvans means destruction and Srijan means recreation. कलम आज ऐसा कोई गीत रचा दे, अब तो केवल जो विध्वंस मचा दे, ना कुछ मेरा पर ना हो कुछ तेरा, नाश नाश ही हो बस दिन रात सवेरा, कलम आज ऐसा कोई गीत रचा दे, अब तो जो केवल विध्वंस मचा दे। टूटे सब बंधन, हर व्यवस्था भी टूटे, पुरातन परंपराओं की पीछे डोर भी छूटे, अग्नि बरसे हाहाकार मचे, जिंदगी रूठे जीवन की वीणा का स्वर भी टूटे, इंसान हो जब अपने ही खून का प्यासा, इंसान हो जब अपने ही खून का प्यासा, मानव ही जब मानवता से फिसले, मंदिर मस्जिद गिरजा घर की दीवारें टूटे, क्रोधित रक्त शिराओं में उबले, मृत्यु बिजली बन चमके, जलधि उठे प्रलय बन बरसे, जीवन ही जीवन को तरसे, निशा का घोर तिमिर छा जाए, क्रंदन कोलाहल सुन मानवता ही नष्ट हो जाए, भूकंप उठे धरती कांपे, समंदर में सुनामी घिर आए, सभ्यताएं समूल नष्ट हो जाएं, यमराज तांडव बन नाचे, सदियों से लड़ते मानव की अब यह अभिलाषा भी पूरी हो जाए। और फिर नई सुबह की अरुणिमा ले, कलम कुछ ऐसा सुरमय लिख दे, नवीन सृजन की कोई नई धुन ही मचले, नई ताल पे जिंदगी थिरके, हर गरीब को 2 जून रोटी, तन पे कपड़ा 4 दीवारी और छत मिल जाए, घर में किसी के जब कोई भूखा रोए, घर में जब किसी के जब कोई भूखा रोए, चैन की नींद पड़ोसी भी तो ना सो पाए, मानवता की नित प्यास मिटाता कलम मेरी आज कुछ नूतन लिख जाए, नई तरंग हो जीवन संगीत में, मरता मानव फिर से मानव बन जाए, कष्टों के जीवन मरीथल को कविता मेरी शीतल झरना बन सींच देगी। दुखों झंझावातों के सागर में रचना मेरी डूबते को भी ऊपर खींच लेगी। हृदय हृदय को हृदय लगाता प्रेम से पुलकित एक सुंदर सपना होगा। अमृत सुधा बन मेरी कविता कलियों में फूलों सा नवजीवन संचित होगा। फूलों सा नवजीवन संचित होगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you again for joining us. Beautiful language to share poetry in every language is gorgeous. Yes.
And this is a gift. And here's a flower for you, for my foster daughter Sharon, and one for your lovely wife. And a peace poem.
So nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.